Imagine being trapped within your own body, unable to move, unable to communicate, a prisoner of your own physical form. This was the world of Nolan Arbaugh, a man whose life took an unexpected turn, leaving him paralyzed from the shoulders down. Once a vibrant and active individual, Nolan's world shrank in an instant, his dreams and aspirations seemingly held captive by his physical limitations. Yet within this adversity, a spark of hope remained, a desire for a life of independence and freedom. But Nolan's story does not end in despair, for technology had a lifeline to offer. Enter Neuralink, a beacon of hope in the dark, a company whose innovation promises to shatter the barriers of human limitations. Neuralink, spearheaded by visionary Elon Musk, introduces a groundbreaking technology, a brain implant designed to enhance human capabilities and treat neurological disorders. This miraculous device was implanted into Nolan Arbaugh's brain, a man paralyzed from the shoulders down. Through Neuralink, Nolan embarked on an astonishing journey of reconnection with the world. Imagine regaining control over a computer cursor merely by thought. This isn't the realm of science fiction, but Nolan's reality. His neural journey didn't stop there. He learned languages, unlocking new cultural doors, and even indulged in the strategic game of chess, all through the power of his mind and Neuralink's technology. If you're inspired by Nolan's story and the power of technology, remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share this incredible journey with your loved ones. Nolan's story is a testament to the limitless potential of human will, combined with the power of technology. But this is just the beginning. The canvas of possibilities is vast and uncharted. Imagine a world where Neuralink's technology is not just a medical miracle, but a common enhancement, boosting human capabilities beyond our natural limits. A future where learning a new language or mastering a complex skill is as simple as a software update. This is Neuralink's vision, a symbiosis of humans and artificial intelligence, crafting a future where we coexist and evolve together. As we stand on the precipice of the future, one thing is clear. Technology has the power to transform lives, to give hope where there was despair, to paint a future that was once unimaginable.